welcome to this very special series, Wise with Edelweiss. Joining me today is Radhika Gupta, who's the CEO at Edelweiss Asset Management and one of the most dynamic leaders of the Indian mutual fund industry. Thanks very much, Radhika. Always a pleasure talking to you. What about performance again, underperformance? So, should an investor be asking a question, which is that at what stage will you underperform? By how much will you underperform? Will you underperform vis-a-vis your benchmark? Will you underperform other people, the peers? If that's a question posed to you, what would your answer be?
So again, I think that question is important. And I would say if that's a question posed to me, the first thing I will tell you is that my funds will underperform at some point in their journey. And if you are embarking on a 5-year journey of an equity fund with us, I can guarantee you, whether it is me or anyone else, and I should speak for others, there will be a period of short term where you will see the fund underperform. I think it is very important to ask what types of periods the fund will underperform in. Again, I'll give you an example of our own funds. We run a fund called BAF, where we say that we will perform when the market is trending, when the market moves in big ups and big downs. But there will be periods when the market doesn't do anything, where the market is flatline. We will underperform in those periods. And I think that question, I could answer this question fund by fund, but it's very important to know that. And the reason it's very important to know that is, if you know the type of circumstances in which your fund is not going to do well, it's like if you know the kind of conditions in which an athlete is not going to perform, then you're not going to be that surprised. You're not going to be that disappointed. And when that period happens, you're not going to be tempted to withdraw your money saying something is wrong. That I think is very, very important. So I think knowing when you will underperform will give you the confidence to handle that period of underperform.
Always a pleasure talking to you. Thank you very much, Radhika, for joining me on this special series and look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you and all the best.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.